Sir, in the Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 verse 1, you have told me that Dhritarashtra represents blind mind.
Yes.
But you haven't told me that where is mind actually located.
Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, the problem is that chapter 1 verse 1, she is asking me this question. We have just started. There are 700 verses in the Bhagavad Gita, but as we progress, then we will start to tell you where is mind, because mind is not alone. There are other associates of the mind, but for your answer, if I ask anybody where is mind, and even if I ask you where is mind, you probably will say the mind is here.
Yes.
No. The mind is not here. This is the brain. Mind is a non-local entity, and we will be talking in great details about where mind is, what the mind is, because the entire Bhagavad Gita is dependent upon this mind.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
There are two poles in our consciousness. One is known as mind, the other is Buddhi or intellect. Where is mind connected?
The mind is connected to the objects through 5 senses of perception.
Right. But the Buddhi or intellect is connected to pure state of awareness. It gets the power of consciousness. The problem is what? That we do not know what is this pure awareness, how the power of consciousness is derived by Buddhi. This is what the Bhagavad Gita is. The Buddhi, one pole, pulls the self towards itself. Mind, with its power, pulls the self towards the outside. These are the two forces. One is Dharmakshetra, another is Kurukshetra. The battle goes on and on and on. The battle has already been won by the mind. We are totally located towards the outside world and do not know the inside world. Bhagavad Gita starts from here, and what does it do? It is now creating a framework where the power of Buddhi, power of intellect rises to regain its place.
I hope you liked the answer in this video. May I request you to share and subscribe to our channel. We are running the Bhagavad Gita courses on Zoom, the link of which is given in the description box below. Please join. We are waiting for you.